You enrolled, but did you know your coverage won't start until the first payment is made?
You're watching Case Closed with Sherlock Sam and Detective Halloum, Open Enrollment Edition.
It's the step most people miss. That first premium isn't automatic.
Right. Miss that payment, and the plan never starts, even if you enrolled on time.
For January 1st coverage, most carriers need the payment by December 31st.
Confirm your payment and grab your free prep kit to stay on track.
Stay one step ahead. Get your free prep kit at SherlockSam.com.